Hey guys, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over how to fix a common problem on TPI and any of the KTM, Husqvarna, GasGas, fuel injected bikes. As you can see, this customer's bike, the clip broke that holds it into the fuel pump. So we have used a razor knife and carefully trimmed the heat shrink and then used a heat gun to pull the glued heat shrink off of this. Now, we're gonna take this connector off. So if you take note, with the clip up, you got blue and orange on the left, looks like white and blue in the middle, and brown and red on the right. So you're gonna get this little clip out now. Little screwdriver, pull that guy out like that. All right. Now, this is just a little unpinning tool, but if you have a small pick or anything like that, you can see, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but right above the terminal, there's a slot right there. So you can push that back in there, pick up, and the connectors will just pull right out of the back. All right, old plug's off. So let me grab the new connector. So we have these, I don't have them on the website yet. Reach out if you need one. But here's your new connector. Oh, with a piece of heat shrink over it. So what we're gonna do, this heat shrink wasn't quite big enough, but I just use a pair of pliers and kind of stretch it out a tiny bit so it'll fit over the plug. Do the outside here a little too. So careful not to tear it. All right, so now we're gonna repin, actually, sorry, getting ahead of myself. We're gonna feed this heat shrink on. Like so, get it back and out of the way. So blue on the left in the number 3 position. Hear that click, white and blue, it's going to be your number 2 position. And your brown and red is going to be the number 1 position. Okay, all 3 clicked, so we're good there. You're going to take your red clip. You can see a big open slot there and a big open slot there. Those are going to push down into those. If I can get it to go. There, you're snipped on. Now we're going to work this back up. Cover that. And now all you got to do is use your heat gun and get your heat shrink back on, and you got a new connector done. Thanks for checking it out.